Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Physical Quantities and Measurement. Lecture 3, Part 3. Physical Quantities with Vernier caliper. For more accurate measurement of short length, a pair of Vernier caliper may be used. Vernier calipers have an accuracy of 0.01 centimeter or 0.1 millimeter. It can be used to measure internal and external diameters, thickness, or even the depth of narrow tubes or holes. Step 1. Open the jaws wide enough to hold the object to be measured. If you are measuring an internal length, continue to open the inside jaw until they just touch the object. Look for the zero marking on the Vernier scale. Record the value of the marking on the main scale just before or touching the zero mark 3.10 centimeter. Look for the measurement on the Vernier scale. This is step 3. We join another marking on the main scale to form a straight line. If it is the marking on the Vernier scale centimeter to the value recorded earlier in the step 2, 16 example number 8, add to 0.08 centimeter to 3.10 centimeter. That is 3.10 plus 0.08, 3.18 centimeter. Here you can see these are the parts of the Vernier scale or Vernier caliper. The first one, fixed internal jaw, movable internal jaw, locking screw, main body, depth bar, main scale, fine adjustment screw, thumb grip, Vernier scale, movable external jaw, and fixed external jaw. In this picture, you can see the Vernier caliper having a screw inside, and the Vernier scale is 2.4 and the main scale is 0.07 is equal to 2.47 centimeter.